continue chapter HTML question answer. As in our last lecture I have finished this chapter. Today we'll continue with the question answer. Come to the page number 167. What type of lists are supported by HTML? The answer is the HTML supported two types of lists. First is order list, second is unordered list. Differentiate between ordered and unordered list. Come to the revision time, page number 166. Here point number 2 and point number 3 will give you differentiate between ordered and unordered list. Next is how will you nest an order list inside a order list? Yes, we can nest unordered list inside a order list with using the suitable tag system. Question number 4. Which two tags will let you create unnumbered or numbered? If it is unnumbered, then it is unordered list. If it is numbered, then it is ordered list. So the answer is like that. Unnumbered list is followed by the unordered list and number list is followed by the order list. What is wrong with the following coding? OL type A start equals to D. Order list में my dear students, you know that you can't write the start with D. Okay, only type you need to give which type you want, your number will come. What is the wrong with the following code? Again the same phenomena. UL type A start equals to flu. UL टाइप में आपको एग्जैक्टली देना पड़ता है कि डिस टाइप है या बुलेट एंड नंबरिंग टाइप है. टाइप यू नीड टू गिव, यू कांट गिव ABCD. व्हाट इज द मीन बाय इनलाइन इमेज इन HTML? The inline image I told you that is used for the inserting this tag is used for inserting image in HTML. The inline image, my dear students, you can come in a page number inserting image, the type attribute in HTML. You can come in a page number creating form. Wait, I'm coming. You can write the answer. The answer is so big in your book, so better you write. Inline image is used to create the image step by step. Okay, what is mean by name various type of alignment. 4 types of alignments are given. First is left alignment, second right alignment, third justified alignment. Okay, left, right, justified and center. 4 types of alignment. Which attributes of A facilitate external link? Attribute A is used for the linking one file to the another. Okay, it is an anchor tag system which is used to link the file. Question number 10. Write HTML code to create the following order list. X is cell phone या zebra. Order list में आपको ये करना है तो that you will write OL equals to X with a double inverted comma and star, and then आपने first li देनी है zyklon and second देनी है zebra and third देनी second देनी है yak and third देनी है zebra. ये सारा li के अंदर आएगा one by one and after that you will close the tab. How would you insert an image file named elephant.jpg? Okay, we can insert any image in the HTML. First we have to we need to go for the property of that particular image. Then we will copy the location and the name. After that file name. Okay, so this you will write. Next is how would you make the word elephant appear whenever the actual elephant or JPG image could not be displayed by web browser? Word elephant appear. This word I need to appear, to this word I will type in a body system so it will appear. Okay, you can make a program where you will write in body system elephant so it will appear with the particular image. Okay, next is what is a table, which tag is used to create table in HTML. ठीक है, table is a collection of rows and column. Which tag used for the create table HTML? I told you in a problem where I have given you table tag properly and I told you how to make a table. Question number 14, what are the th and tr tag? Th means table heading, tr means table row. Question number 15, write code produce following HTML code: A, D, B, E, C, F, A, E, F, B, F. Now you can write the order list code. Okay. What is the use of mark you tag? Mark you tag is used to slide your text again and again. Question number 17, can you scroll text only through mark you tag? No, we cannot. 18, write sample HTML code to scroll text. Yeah, I want vertically in a web page. For this you need to make a one proper program, my dear student. Next is what are forms? Forms are a record. Okay, as I told you, some types of input and text command, which is my last lecture. I told you in HTML lecture ki how can we make a forms with that input command and buttons with the help of buttons. Next is what you understand by the control in forms. Control in forms is just tell what type of tag system we are using. Name different control types supported by HTML form. Different control forms में you will write the different optional value. Page number 159 में you will get input type, text, password, radio, checkbox. This you need to write with this answer. Okay, now we have finished this chapter. In next lecture we will start the computer virus. Thank you so much.